students, all of you. Students, in previous lecture we studied about the lesson number 9 in subject grammar. Lesson number 9 in subject grammar. So students, what we study in lesson number 9? The noun singular and plural. So we tell me the what is mean by singular noun and what is mean by plural noun. That is called in Marathi ekvachan, anekvachan. So students, a noun that names one thing, one person or place is called the singular noun. What is called the singular noun? A noun that names one thing, person, place is called the singular noun. And then what is called the plural noun? The plural noun means we use a plural noun to refer to more than one person. What is called the plural noun? The plural noun means we use a plural noun to refer more than one person, thing or place. That is called the plural noun. In Marathi called the singular means ekvachan, plural means anekvachan. Okay. So students, today we study about the subject grammar, block number or lesson number 10. Our lesson name is nouns, gender. Lesson name is nouns, gender. So first of all, I have one question. What is called in Marathi the gender? What is called the gender in Marathi? मराठी मध्ये जेंडरला काय म्हणतात? So students, in Marathi called the लिंग. काय म्हणतात? लिंग. Okay? So students, today we study in this lesson the masculine, feminine and common gender. Masculine means first type is a masculine. First type is masculine. Masculine means in Marathi called the pullinga. Okay? Then we study about the feminine. F-E-M-I-N-I-N-E. Feminine. Feminine means strilinga. And common nouns means samanya. Common means samanya. Okay? So students, let's start. But before the starting, please tell me the what is mean by masculine, feminine and common noun. So all students, please see in a book. Take a book in your hands and please see in this book. First of all, I read the lesson and then we study about the questioning. Some nouns refer specifically to the male gender. Some nouns refer specifically to the male gender. काही nouns असे असतात की जे स्पेसिफिकली मेल जेंडर असतात. मेल जेंडर मीन्स पुल्लिंग. तो ही, तोला काय म्हणतात? ही. ओके? ही इज अ बॉय. ओके? एक्झाम्पल्स. व्हॉट आर द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ मेल जेंडर? What is the examples of male gender? Tiger. Here give the examples are tiger. He is a tiger. Okay. Then next is a king. He is a king. He is a god. Uncle. He is my uncle. Okay. And boy. boy. It is examples of male gender. Then next, some nouns refer specifically to the female gender. Some nouns refers specifically to the female gender. So, what are the examples of female gender? Anyone tell? You know what are the examples of female gender? So, tigress, P-I-G-R-E-S-S. Then queen. Then goddess. Then aunt. And then girl. So, what is the difference between the male gender and female gender? What is the difference between the male gender and female gender? So, see here. Tiger is a male gender. But in female gender, tigress. King is a male gender. But queen is a female gender. God is a male gender. But goddess is a female gender. Uncle is a male gender. But aunt is a female gender. Boy is a male gender. But girl is a female gender. Okay? Understand? What is the difference between the male gender and female gender? Male gender means he. And female gender means she. He and she are the pronouns. He and she is a pronouns. Which pronouns we use? In male gender we use the he, and in female gender we use the she. Okay? Then next. Some nouns refer to a male or a female. पण काही असे नाउन्स असतात जे मेल किंवा फिमेल काय करतात? रेफर करतात. These are called the common nouns. These are called the common nouns. Common means samanya. Common means samanya. Some nouns refer to a male or a female. काही नाउन्स असे असतात की जे मेल आणि फिमेल दोन्हीही काय करतात? रेफर करतात. These are called the common nouns. Nowadays, it's quite common for the muscular noun to be used for. Nowadays, it is quite common for the muscular noun to be used for both genders. Both genders. So, if you are talking about your favorite actor, you could be talking about a man or a woman. मग त्याबद्दल तुम्ही ॲक्टर विषयी बोला, मॅन विषयी बोला, एखाद्या वुमनवरती बोला, त्यावेळेला आपण काय करतो? बोथ जेंडर्सचा यूज करतो, दोन्ही जेंडरचा यूज करतो. वी कुड ऑल्सो से दॅट युअर ऑन्ट वॉज अ बँक मॅनेजर. म्हणजे इथे एक एक्झाम्पल दिलं आहे दॅट युअर ऑन्ट वॉज अ बँक मॅनेजर. ओके, सो स्टुडंट्स, द क्वेश्चन ए, put the nouns in the correct column, underline the plural nouns. ओके, तर इथे काय? प्रिन्सेस. ओके, तर प्रिन्सेसला काय आहे? एस आलेला आहे, म्हणजे हा काय आहे? प्लुरल फॉर्म आहे. त्याला अंडरलाईन करायची, पण तो कुठे इन्सर्ट होईल? मस्क्युलाइनला येईल, फेमिनाइनला येईल की कॉमनला येईल? ऑलरेडी यू नो दॅट व्हॉट इज कॉल्ड द फेमिनाइन, व्हॉट इज कॉल्ड द मस्क्युलाइन, and what is called the common. Masculine means the male gender, feminine means the female gender, and common nouns means they are both. They means that they. Okay, so princess. Princess कशात येईल? God. God is a masculine gender. So you write the God in a masculine like this. Okay. Then question B. Choose suitable common nouns from the box to complete the sentences. इथं काय करायचं? सुटेबल नाउन यूज करायचं आहे आणि तिथलं बॉक्समधला आणि तिथलं जे काय फिल इन द ब्लँक्स आहे ते कंप्लीट करायचं आहे. नेक्स्ट, मेनी नाउन्स डोंट रेफर टू जेंडर ॲट ऑल. बरेचसे असे नाउन्स असतात की ते जेंडर रेफर करत नाही. दीज आर युजली नाउन्स फॉर इनॲनिमेट थिंग्स. दीज आर कॉल्ड द न्यूट्रल नाउन. अँड नेक्स्ट टाइप इज अ न्यूट्रल नाउन. सो व्हॉट इज मीन बाय न्यूट्रल नाउन? न्यूट्रल नाउन्स म्हणजे नपुसकलिंग, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो? नपुसकलिंग. ओके, सो these are usually nouns for inanimate things. These are called the neutral nouns or neuter gender. Okay. Examples: computer, hotel, like this. Okay. So students, solve this question number C and send me with the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you.